Sister Meeple here. This is coming soon to Kickstarter with my 5 most anticipated games coming to Kickstarter during the last days of January 2019. January 22nd. Valor and Villainy, Minions of Mordak is a 1 vs. many semi-cooperative role-playing board game for 2 to 6 players. One player represents the comically evil wizard Mordak, and the rest work together to halt his destruction. The allies seek ancient shrines which weaken Mordak, while Mordak plots against them. This game looks like a family-friendly RPG with a reasonable playtime. Comments on BGG say that replayability is good and that it is a lot of fun. You should definitely check this one out. Also on January 22nd, Vindication will be returning to Kickstarter with an expansion, Leaders and Alliances. Not much is known about the expansion, but the base game has received some very favorable reviews. If you missed the first Kickstarter, here's your chance to get the base game with all of the Kickstarter extras, as well as the expansion. January 24th. The Cloudus Collection, Volume 1, features 3 classic John Cloudus titles, each remastered by Colossal Games with new art, design, and mechanics. Neolithic is a 2-player civilization building card game set at the dawn of the Neolithic Age, with each player taking on the role of leader for their village using a mix of hand building, worker placement, and multi-use cards. Merchants of Mutsiris is a game of role selection where players explore the ancient Indian trade markets of Mutsiris. Its new edition has updated art and design and is now for 2 to 4 players. Keep is a card game for 2 to 5 players that is timed at 5 minutes per player. It has a little bit of Take That, a fun medieval theme, and a compact size. 1001 Odysseys is kind of like a choose-your-own-adventure in space. Think 1001 Arabian Nights on a faster-than-light ship. Unlike most legacy or campaign-driven games, this game has an emphasis on replayability and you don't have to always play it with the same group of friends. You take on the role of the bridge crew of the Starship Odyssey, leading humanity's journey into the exciting unknown. Your choices drive the story, deciding how the great adventure unfolds. I have been really excited about this game ever since I heard that it included space radishes, and look, there's an adorable stuffed vegetable right there. Sentient root vegetables? I can't wait to see more. January 29th. The Shipwreck Arcana is coming back to Kickstarter with a new expansion January 29th. This is a compact, cooperative game of deduction, evaluation, and logic. You and your friends are trying to help each other escape a drowned world. With distinctive, colorful art, this is a tense, fun puzzle game, so I look forward to seeing what the new expansion brings. As an honorable mention, although I don't have a date for it, rumor has it that Yokohama Duel, the English version, is going to come to Kickstarter sometime in January. Yokohama was such a huge hit, there are high expectations for this 2-player only game. Last but not least, I have to mention that the Dice Tower Kickstarter is going on right now. The Dice Tower is a huge asset to the gaming community, creating tons of content every week. And if you have enjoyed their content like I have, please consider supporting them through their Kickstarter. That's it for this week. Catch you near the end of the month for February Kickstarter news.